In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your ankle eversion in a seated position. So firstly, what is eversion? Well, eversion of the ankle means to bring the ankle further away from the midline of the body. So if this is the midline of my body and I'm bringing my ankle further away, I'm pointing it out. So what's really important when it comes to ankle eversion is that we don't cheat by using the hips or the knees to assist the motion, and actually it's those other joints working and giving us the illusion that we've got really good ankle eversion. So I'm going to bring my leg up so you can see it best on the camera. From here, you'll notice I've got both of my hands on my calf, so the front of my calf. I'm also bringing my body into my hip, so it means that these joints, my knee, my tibia, my femur, they're not going to come into the motion. And then from here, I'm going to point my foot away from my body and back in, away from my body and back in. And I would repeat this for my desired amount of sets and repetitions. And that is how to do ankle eversion in a seated position.